Dear students, you are the babies of your parents. Your parents call you either son or daughter, don't they? Like you, the babies of animals also have names.
We call babies of different animals by different names.
Now, let us discuss about the names of babies of different animals. Students, this is a baby cat. A baby cat is called a kitten.
Do you know a newly born kitten has blue eyes? Only after 3 months, the color of its eyes becomes like that of a cat.
Students, some of you may have a baby dog at your homes. How do you call it?
You call it puppy, don't you?
A baby dog is called a puppy. Let me tell you one interesting thing about it. A newly born puppy cannot see. It cannot hear either.
So, a newly born puppy is both blind and deaf.
Students, do you know what a baby sheep is called?
A baby sheep is called a lamb. Most of the sheep give birth to 2 babies at a time.
Students, this is a baby goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Similarly, this is a baby pig. A baby pig is called a piglet.
This is a baby hen. A baby hen is called a chick. A baby hen comes out from the egg of a hen.
Students, a hen continuously sits on its eggs, keeping it warm for 21 days. After 21 days, a chicken hatches out from its eggs.
A baby duck is called a duckling. A baby goose is called a gooseling.
Similarly, a baby horse is called a colt. A baby elephant is called a calf.
A baby cow is also called a calf. A baby buffalo is also called a calf. And a baby rhinoceros is also called a calf. This is a baby tiger. A baby tiger is called a cub. And a baby lion is also called a cub.
A baby bear is also called a cub. And a baby cheetah is also called a cub. Students, this is a kangaroo. Do you know a kangaroo jumps to move from one place to another? A baby kangaroo is called Joey.
And a baby deer is called a fawn.
Students, look into this aquarium. What do you see?
There are many fish in the aquarium. There are baby fish too.
A baby fish is called a fry. Similarly, a baby frog is called a tadpole.